At Nordic, we know that you want your users to efficiently and effectively use the EHR to provide the best care. In order to do that, you need an education program with up-to-date materials and workflows. The problem is that upgrades and system changes are happening so frequently that your team doesn't have the bandwidth to maintain your training materials and environment before they're outdated. These maintenance tasks may be a burden on your already strapped training team. We believe your trainers should have the time to focus on classroom or virtual training, as well as other strategic projects. We understand the time demands of updating training materials while supporting your organization's everyday training needs. This is why our certified trainers within our managed services teams have collaborated to successfully maintain up-to-date materials, lesson plans, and resources for our clients. Here's how we'll work with you. First, we'll meet with you to understand your ongoing training upkeep and maintenance needs. Then we'll update and maintain your lesson plans and reference materials. You'll rest easy knowing that we'll provide ongoing oversight of your training toolkit so it's always current. So stop spending your days reviewing out-of-date tip sheets and materials and start empowering your trainers to focus on your provider and end users' experience. Let's talk.